Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Anna and in today's video I'm going to share 5 essential tips that will help you master Spanish from the very start. Whether you're just beginning or need a little push to get better, these tips are simple but effective. Let's jump right in. Learn the basics first. When you start learning Spanish, it's important to build a strong foundation. Focus on essential vocabulary like greetings, numbers, and common phrases you'll use every day. Mastering the basics first will make everything else easier later on. You can start with phrases like Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo, gracias, con gusto, etc. This will help you feeling more confident when speaking. And by the way, I'm sharing reels every day with super useful vocabulary and phrases to make your learning even easier. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Practice pronunciation early. One thing that can trip out beginners is pronunciation. Spanish pronunciation is pretty straightforward, but it's important to get it right early on. For example, the vowels in Spanish are consistent. So once you learn them, you'll be able to pronounce most words easily. For example, the letter A is pronounced like A, as in casa, and the letter E sounds like E, as in mesa. Try practicing with simple words and focus on each vowel sound. Don't be afraid to practice out loud. It'll make a big difference. Start speaking right away. Don't wait until you feel ready to speak Spanish. Start using the words and phrases you learn immediately. Speaking early will help you get used to the rhythm and flow of the language, and it'll boost your confidence. So talk to yourself, to your pets, to your kids. Who cares? But do it. The more you speak, the faster you'll improve. Listen to Spanish every day. To really master Spanish, you need to immerse yourself in the language. Listen to Spanish music, watch Spanish shows or videos, and try to read short stories or articles in Spanish. The more you hear the language, the easier it'll be to understand and speak it. Start with beginner-friendly content, like children's shows or songs with simple lyrics. Even if you don't understand everything, you're training your brain to recognize words and patterns. You don't need to understand everything, just listen. Finally, the most important tip is consistency. Learning a language is a journey, and it takes time. Make a habit of studying or practicing Spanish every day, even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes. Consistency will keep you progressing, and over time, you'll see huge improvements. It's all about small steps every day. Stay patient. Alright, those are my 5 tips to help you get started in your Spanish language journey. Remember, learning a language is all about practice, patience, and consistency. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep learning and improving your Spanish. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. See you soon. Ciao, ciao!